So before this video gets started, if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver and you want to make an extra $100 extra per month, there's a company called Play Octopus that will send you a free tablet to put in your car. You just have to use our link below. You put the tablet in your car, your passengers can play games, and you as a driver make an extra up to $100 per month. Sign up for Play Octopus with the link down below. It's free to sign up. They're pretty much nationwide now, so use the link, start making an extra $100 a month, and let's get started. This is why Uber and Lyft drivers are quitting left and right. Look at that handsome bearded man.
I'm not really into beards.
Did you see I was growing mine out?
Yeah.
Yeah, I cut it, yeah. I kind of got like dared into growing it out, and then I was like, yeah, I'll do it, why not? And then yeah, I'm glad I shaved it now. Okay.
Yeah, I shaved mine too.
Yeah, I could tell. Okay, you want to read this one?
Yeah. Homeless, assaulted, broke. Drivers left behind as Uber promises change at the top.
Yeah, so this is why so many Uber drivers quit, is because, like we were just saying, a lot of drivers are homeless and broke. They're getting attacked.
Yeah. So Uber has vowed a shakeup of its scandal-prone executive culture, but its drivers often left destitute by car rentals and low pay who are being short-charged. Okay. So basically, it was billed as one of the most important company-wide meetings in the history of Uber. But even though staff gathered on Tuesday morning at Uber's headquarters, there was still one conspicuous absence. They're like, where's Travis? Who's Travis? Oh, the co-founder.
Yep, co-founder of Uber.
I see. Travis Kalanick, Uber's 40-year-old co-founder and chief executive, was taking a leave of absence from the taxi-hailing app. He has transformed into a global behemoth valued at almost $70 billion.
Yeah, God. This guy, so he's the Uber CEO. This is an older article about how this is the guy who created the company, is not even at one of the most important meetings ever. He's made of $70 billion bucks. And where does he get all of his money? From drivers who are homeless, working left and right, making literally pennies sometimes, or sometimes negative. There were studies, there was an independent study that was done that's saying there's like, I think it's 10 to 15% of drivers make negative money. So they're spending more money on expenses than they're actually making from Uber.
That's insane.
Yeah, and then another like 10 to 15% was making around $5 an hour after expenses. And then I think it was actually a select few that were making over like $20 an hour.
Oh.
And then it's like, yeah, you go to the Uber website, drive for Uber. Drive for Uber. Yeah, they're like, earn $2,600 in the first 30 days. Sign up to drive for Uber. It probably says make up to $34 an hour or whatever. Oh no, it doesn't say it here, but I get the emails. You guys have seen the ads. I've seen the billboards. It's like, drive for Uber, make $30 an hour.
Yeah. Yeah, and then a lot of it depends on like the area you live in. If you're doing like Uber Black, Uber Comfort, Uber XL, or just like regular Uber X.
Yeah, they're not. I don't see them saying the hourly thing anymore. Now they just say make $2,600. But yeah, it definitely depends. Yeah. Oh yeah, if you drive an Uber Black XL in LA, yeah, I'm sure you can make like $50 an hour.
Yeah.
But if you're driving like normal Uber in like Idaho, probably making like $1 an hour.
Yeah.
So that's why drivers are quitting, is because the executives they don't care. They're getting rich off of you, and they're glad to tell you how much money you can make. While story after story are drivers suffering.
Yeah.
Families end up homeless. Yeah, it's crazy, guys. Really, consider whether or not this is the job for you.
Mm-hmm.
And, run the numbers on how much your expenses are, how much you're spending in gas, how much your car is depreciating faster than if you just had a normal job. You're driving more miles, you're putting more miles on your car. Your car's going to break down more often. You got to get more oil changes. You got to get new tires more often. You got to change the brake pads in your car more often. You got to your car's gonna start breaking down more often.
Yeah.
Like normal commuters drive 10 to 15,000 miles a year. If you're an Uber driver, a lot of drivers drive like 80,000 miles a year. So your car is gonna be like, the value is gonna go way down. A lot of drivers, they go out and buy a $30,000 car, $20,000 car for Uber. Fast forward a year or two, that car's only worth $5,000 now.
Mm-hmm.
And it's got a ton of problems. So you got to sell it. And you just lost $15,000, $25,000 in the car's value.